Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming Premiere uses your microphone. This avoids drop takes. First, set your mic as the OS default, then open Premiere and match the sequence sample rate to 48,000 Hz. This keeps audio synced with video. Next, create or open the sequence and pick the audio track where you want the voice. Once done, arm that track by enabling the microphone icon so Premiere listens. This first action prevents format mismatches and ensures your first take records cleanly. Now configure the track and check levels so recordings are usable. In the audio track mixer, assign the ARM track's input to your mic 1, USB mic, or interface channel, and turn on input monitoring with headphones to avoid feedback. Adjust gain so spoken peaks land near -6 dB. This prevents clipping and leaves headroom for processing. Also enable a 1-bar count-in or 2-second count to prepare. And use punch-in recording if you need to redo a short. When you're ready, press the record button in the audio track mixer and begin speaking. Watch the meters so you know levels are solid. Once finished, stop recording and save the project right away. Name the clip and drag it into the timeline to sync or trim. If you encounter problems, make sure Premiere has microphone permission in the OS, verify the correct device in audio hardware preferences, and restart the app if needed. This fixes most input recognition issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.